Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate map widgets. So any map widget, however you want to make it. So we have these options here: markers, polylines, polygons, and if there's anything else, you just tell it here. But yeah, we'll just go. We'll change terrain, I guess. So yeah, we'll just click generate widget. And yeah, so you could tell it things like, um, I don't know, return me the center anytime the map moves. And that way you can like use it as a way to get the, or let the user choose the location. But yeah, so what did we choose? Markers and polylines. So we should see that here. So yeah, you see polyline in place. So struct is something that Flutter Flow appends to any data type. So let's say you name it place, um, then it will add place struct, or it'll add struct. So yep, and then we added terrain. So if we go, yeah, we'll see it here. So what else? Let's say we want to name, we want to rename these, I guess, custom data types. Uh, I want instead of place custom data type, I want locate. I want the name to be location. I don't know. And then capitalize my I. And then what else? Oh, return the center location data type whenever the user moves the map. I don't know. Yeah, you just type it however you're thinking. But yeah, I should have checked polygons, but that's fine. And yeah, trying to think of anything else. Yeah, it looks like it's finished because this stopped loading. So let's see. So yeah, on center changed. Um, it gives us like, so these are for actions. Anytime you see function, but yeah, basically when you copy this in the custom widget, it will automatically populate these. I did a previous video on that. When was it? I think for screenshot. Yeah, for the screenshot video, if you see that, I'll show you how to do that. But yeah, and yes, so I'll go to the next. I'll go to the tile map. So we'll do it. We'll do all three. We'll just create it initially. And then, yeah, we'll ask it to return the center if it doesn't already. In the next, I guess, iteration. So you see it gives us the package to use. So in the other one, we didn't have to specify because that's already included. Yep, by Flutter Flow. But yeah, you'll just need to make sure that you go to actual pub dev and make sure this is the latest. But yeah, you'll just really you could just search this online and you'll see it. Um, and then you go to the installing tab, and yep, so it gives us the access token for like Mapbox or whatever, and then on click marker, polygons, polylines. Oh, I don't. Did I rename? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I did that on the last one, but you'll see we have tile layer and then polygon, polyline, and marker layers. Um, what else? So yeah, let's do something else. I don't know. I can't really think. No, I mean we'll just do return the center um, coordinates as the uh, place custom data type whenever the user moves the map. I don't know what that was, but oh, I think I did a shortcut or something. But yeah, yeah. Sometimes it gives you the like actual link to it right here. Well, it says pub spec, but you'll really add it to dependencies on Flutter Flow. But yeah, so it looks like it did the on map moved. So yeah, but it didn't give us the whenever a marker's clicked. Also, when a marker is clicked, return the place data type. Yeah, there should be a thing that so you'll know that it changed. I mean, you can see this that it stops, but I mean, you can kind of see it change, but I don't know. It should be like more noticeable. So yeah, we have to. So these will be actions. We'll just copy that and they'll yeah, it returns us a place. And yeah, yeah, that's all I wanted to show for this video. But yep, see ya.